Welcome to day 4 of Grammar Room. Today we are going to learn the usage of will. Where are we using will? There are instances where we use will. That is, first one is to express a rapid decision. I'll help you with that. I will help you with that. If somebody is in some struggle and we are going and telling I'll help you, that there we are using will. I will help you with that. He'll call you in the evening. He will call you in the evening. They will join us for dinner. They will join us for dinner. I will order food for now. I will order food now. I plus will. If somebody is hungry and we are realizing their situation and we are asking them, I will order food for you now, we are doing a rapid decision. And the next instance is to offer help. I lend my book. I will lend my book. We are doing a favor or a help to other person. That bag looks heavy. I'll carry it for you. That bag is very heavy, so that I'll carry it for you. I'll guide you to the station. I will guide you to the station. To make a promise, I will always support you. If we wanted to give some promise to others, we are telling that I'll always support you. I promise I'll finish the project on time. On time, I will finish the project. If we want to give such a promise, we'll use I promise I'll finish the project on time. I won't let you down. Trust me. I won't leave you. I will be there for you always. I won't let you down. Trust me. And another instance is to make a threat. If we want to tell someone that I will report this to someone if you are doing wrong, there we can use will. I'll report you to the manager if you do that again. Another instance is, if you touch my car, I'll call the police. Another instance is to talk about dreams. If you want to express your dreams, that is, I'll buy a house near the beach someday. Someday in the future, I'll buy a house near the beach. I'll become fluent in Spanish. I'll become fluent in Spanish. You can tell that I'll become fluent in English after completing all the tasks. Next instance is to discuss future plans or facts. She'll move to a new city next month. She will move to a next city next. She will move to a new city next month. In the next month, that is future plan. She will move to a new city next month. I'll finish my degree next year. I will finish my degree next year. Next year only it is going to happen. If you want to make a request also, we'll be using will. Will you help me with this assignment? Will you help me with this assignment? Will you book the tickets? Will you book the tickets? That is a request. Are you okay to book the tickets? That is a meaning. Will you please turn off the light? Will you please? Please itself indicates a request. And we can ask questions by using will also. That is, will you attend the meeting tomorrow? Will you attend? Will you be attending? Will you be there? Will he visit us next week? Will he come to meet us, or will you come to meet here, people here next week? Will you accept the offer? Will you accept the offer? That is a question. And the last instance is to refuse to do something. No, I won't go out in the rain. That is, we can tell our refusal by using the word will or plus not, since it is a negative sentence. No, I won't go out in rain. He won't agree to this deal no matter what. He won't, but will plus not is won't. And another examples using this is, will you come with me tomorrow? When will the train arrive? What time will the meeting start tomorrow? I'll call you as soon as I am free. If I win the lottery, I'll travel the world. If I win the lottery, I'll travel the world. That is a possibility that is happening, that will be happening in the future. These are the uses of will. Now we are going to look into how we are using will be. Will be. That means future continuous and future continuous statements. Future continuous statements are used if we want to tell about the thing that is happening next day or the coming days. I'll be in Mumbai tomorrow. It is tomorrow's thing that we are conveying. I'll be in Mumbai tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be in Mumbai. It will be cloudy next week. Next week it will be cloudy. Monday will be a holiday. Only Monday will be a holiday. They will be at the airport by 10 a.m. by 10 a.m. Those particular people will be at the airport. The event won't be in December. The event won't means will plus not, won't be in December. And if we want to describe an action happening at a specific time in the future, if we know some particular time of some particular action, we use will be plus verb plus ing. For example, at 8 p.m. I'll be watching a movie. We know at 8 p.m. what we'll be doing. At 8 p.m. we will be or I'll be watching a movie. She'll be working on her project in the evening. In the evening, she will be working on her project. She won't be doing any other thing. She'll be working on that project. They will be traveling to Paris next weekend. They will next weekend. In the next weekend, it is already planned. They will be traveling to Paris. Don't call me at 10 p.m. I'll be sleeping. At 10 p.m. it is fixed. At 10 p.m. that particular person will be sleeping. By this time tomorrow we'll be having lunch. Tomorrow by this time that particular person will be having lunch. And to make negative sentences we will be using what? Will not or will not be. So it is shortened as won't be. And we can see how are the sentences. The meeting won't be happening tomorrow. Meeting won't be happening tomorrow. I won't be attending the conference. I won't be, will not be attending the conference tomorrow. She won't be cooking dinner tonight. She won't be cooking the dinner tonight. They won't be watching the match later. They won't be watching the match later. We won't be studying at the hotel. We won't be staying at the hotel this weekend. We won't be. We will not be. That is a negative sentence. We will not be staying at the hotel this weekend. And if we want to ask some questions using will or will you be or will they be, how will we ask? Will you be attending the wedding? Will he be working late tonight? What will they be doing at this hour tomorrow? Where will she be staying during the trip? Will the exams be in the October? You have to use will first and then construct the sentences. And some more examples for you. Don't call him now, he'll be driving. Don't call him now, he'll be driving. When James arrives, I won't be studying. When James is coming, I won't be going into studies. By next week, we will be preparing for the festival. I'm talking about the future thing, and by next week, we will be preparing for the festival. Will you be visiting our parents this weekend? It is a question. Will you be visiting our parents this weekend? At this time next year, I'll be living abroad. At this time next year, I'll be abroad. I'll be flying to abroad. These are the uses of next usage, that is will be plus verb plus ing or simply will be. Now here in this session I'll be talking to you about the uses of going to. It is used to tell about the future plans or predictions. We'll look into that in detail. That is, it is used to talk about the planned actions in future. It is already planned, and if we want to talk about that, we are using that. For example, I'm going to start a new business next year. It is going to happen in the future only, but it is decided now itself. She is going to visit her grandparents this weekend. This weekend, she is going to meet her grandparents. We are going to organize a party next Friday. Next Friday, we will be organizing, or we are going to organize a party. And if you want to tell predictions based on present evidence, if some evidence is here now, we can use this what going to. For example, look at those dark clouds. It's going to storm soon. That there are dark clouds present, so it will be raining, or it is going to rain soon. The roads are slippery. Someone is going to have an accident if they are not careful. If the people walking through that way, if they are not careful, they'll be slipping on the road. It's already 9:45. We are going to be late for the meeting. It's 9:45. We'll be going late for the meeting. Their team is playing terribly. They are going to lose this match. The team is terribly playing so that they are going to lose the match. And now we'll look at the correct and incorrect usages. I'm going to buy a car. That is a correct usage, and the other one is wrong. You can just read. I'm not telling that because that will get confused. It's going to rain soon. That is the correct. It is going to rain is the correct usage. And some new examples include, I am going to learn French next year. She is going to bake a cake for the party. They are going to renovate their house this summer. Going to, it is happening. It is already planned now. It's decided now, but it will happen in the future. And look at the predictions. Look at the smoke. The fire is going to spread quickly. Prediction, that is, smoke is there and it will catch fire soon. The baby is crying. He is going to wake everyone up. The baby is crying loudly, so everyone will wake up soon. If you keep driving recklessly, you are going to get a fine. If you are driving without obeying any rules and regulations, you will get a fine for sure. These are the uses of going to and the instances where we use going to.